Well, hello everyone. I'm Vincent Butch Bresette. I'm the Food Distribution Director here for Red Cliff, and I'm kind of honored to be asked to come and speak a little bit. I've been asked to update you on some health and family service programs that are going on right now. And the number one thing I want you to realize is all of the programs are active and ongoing right now. So we're talking domestic violence, ICW, programs like the Energy Assistance Program. So right now, they're only going back 1 month in income in that. So I would charge you with going there and signing up because they have the funds available right now to help you during this COVID-19 pandemic. So they made it as streamlined and easy as possible. I've been told that they want you to use the 715-779-3706 number for any of their services, and they will be the one-stop call and they will get you to where you need to go. So it's going to kind of save you some time from having to try these programs that may not have a person actually in office right now but working from home. So this way you get what you need in the time that you need to get it. One of the good things for those of you that are on SNAP right now, which is a food assistance program, starting in May, every one of you are going to receive the max allowable to you for your family size. And so you go from somebody only getting $80 to maybe being able to get up to $300-400, whatever the cap is on that, is going to help out immensely for families to be able to go out and get the things that they need. The elderly program is doing right now 165 delivered meals. So their kitchen up there is quite busy. They're utilizing the assistance from several of the other programs with people in there. They're doing 3 different delivery routes. Again, if you are an elder that is not receiving it and you're interested, utilize that 715-779-3706 and they will get you set up to begin delivery for you. Very simple process to do, and so I highly encourage those that are out there that are finding it a little difficult and challenging to eat all the time to reach out and try that. So next, I would like to talk about food distribution. I am currently running our summer feeding program, which typically would not have started until about June 7th. It would run from June to August 31st. I started the program up on March 19th. So today is the 20th day of operation that we've been in, and our total as of today of meals delivered and served is 5,905. We're averaging 320 meals a day with the potential of picking up Madeline Island's kids, so that could be another 35, and we'll find out about that shortly. I couldn't do this without the assistance and help of the ECC staff, the Boys and Girls Club, the Education Department. It's taking a total team effort, and I'll tell you what, to do that kind of volume every day to make sure that these kids are cared for, you couldn't have asked for a better group of people. And I sure as heck couldn't have asked for a better group of people. It's incredible to see what is done. We're in collaboration with the Bayfield school system right now because they are providing 7 breakfasts for these children every week, as well as just yesterday they started 7 dinners that they're providing. Logistically, it's a nightmare right now, but we will get it worked out and we'll fine tune it. So I have delivery routes that are going out the settlement, as well as Sam Bay Raspberry out there that catch. We're delivering to 81 kids out in that area that normally would not participate in my program. So we're trying to hit everybody that we can, and if you are a child and have children that aren't receiving it, call us and let us know. My number out there is 715-779-3740, and we will make sure that we add you to the list. So we're pretty fluid. Some days we have this many, next days is like that. So we're just trying to do the best we can to hit the most people and be the most benefit to people that we have. When it comes to my actual commodity program, by all means, what we're kind of doing as of this moment is rather than looking back at 30 days of income, we're looking and projecting. So if you're someone that has been laid off or furloughed, and all of a sudden, if you're a casino employee and you're not getting the pay anymore, reach out to us. Our program provides great healthy food for an individual or a family, and all you have to do, it's a very simple application process. We'll even do an emergency 1 month allocation to allow that, and then in the next month we'll carry it forward, because we really don't know how long this is going to go on. We've boosted our stock on hand so that we're able to handle the increase that we're expecting. So if you've not thought about it, by all means give us a call. The only caveat to that, and the only requirement that will not allow you, is you cannot be on SNAP receiving the food stamp portion and then be on ours, so it would have to be one or the other. So if you have questions, call us. Call me. I'm there every day 8 to 4:30, and I will be happy to answer. If I don't know the answer, I'll find the answer. Just know that those of us that are considered essential are busting their hind ends right now to provide the services in all aspects that they're working on right now. So have a great day.